Pioneer Pro introduces its new painting preparation line, Painter's Buddy. Pioneer Pro Painter's Buddy Acrylic Gap Sealant is a one-component latex non-staining material that cures into a flexible finish, apart from being resistant to UV, outdoor exposure, and interior joint movements. It is also easy to apply. This makes Painter's Buddy Acrylic Gap Sealant ideal for filling gaps in wood, brick, aluminum, glass, plasterboard, ceramic tiles, and painted surfaces. For the construction professional, the new Pioneer Pro Painter's Buddy Wall Putty is a perfect partner. It is the most handy application when it comes to filling and puttying hairline cracks and repairing minor imperfections on masonry surfaces. Painter's Buddy Wall Putty is a ready-mix acrylic water-based heavy-bodied putty, specially designed and formulated for masonry surfaces such as concrete, stucco, hollow blocks, gypsum boards, and fiber cement boards. Painter's Buddy Wall Putty has exceptional adhesion strength. It is also easy to use and non-toxic, making it ideal for both interior and exterior use. The new Pioneer Pro Painter's Buddy Fiber Cement Board Epoxy has been developed for use in conjunction with fiber cement board products. It is a paintable two-part epoxy joining compound used in both the repair and installation of fiber cement board systems. Not only is it easy to apply, it also boasts of excellent adhesion to plasterboards. Painter's Buddy Cement Fiberboard Epoxy has a non-cracking, non-sagging superior sanding property that results to no less than a smooth finish. Another new but equally innovative construction companion is the Pioneer Pro Painter's Buddy Skim Coat. It is an excellent cement-based finishing plaster applied very thinly on concrete surfaces for overhead and vertical applications. Painter's Buddy Skim Coat is made up of finely crushed white marble and high-grade sand aggregates of consistent quality and composition. This special formulation makes it ideal in correcting surface imperfections and covering pinholes. Great for both indoor and outdoor applications. The easy-to-use Pioneer Pro Painter's Buddy Skim Coat is proud of its excellent adhesion and non-sag qualities.